The camera pans across endless clouds, glowing under the sun at 30,000 feet. Two F-22 Raptors roar into frame, sleek and powerful, their pilots focused and alert. The radio crackles with static as they lock onto an unidentified aircraft ahead. Suddenly, a calm female voice cuts through the silence, steady, confident, unmistakable. The Raptors hesitate, their formation faltering for just a second. One pilot's eyes widen behind the visor as he whispers, "It can't be her." The mysterious jet holds its path, gliding effortlessly as tension builds in the sky. You can watch complete story on my channel, Silent Nobility.